Leading a country or an organization can be like cooking a small fish. With too much stirring, it will fall apart. In a similar manner, with too much interference, a troubling situation can become even more out of balance. Thus, evolved ones enlist the TAO and become awake and alert observers, knowing that whatever is hidden will eventually be revealed. When the work of cunning people is no longer hidden, then their schemes can no longer do harm. And when evolved ones do not attack the cunning, then, with nothing to oppose, the cunning lose their power, and a natural order can return. An organization needs to be like a great sea that is lower than the streams which flow into it. The great sea is like a receptive female, calm at its depths, and open to male vitality. In a similar manner, if a large organization stays low, humble, open, and receptive in its approach, then its calmness is inviting to a smaller organization. And if a smaller organization stays low and humble, then it can be absorbed into the larger organization and gain from the larger one's strength. Thus both gain through openness and humility. As well, a larger organization often focuses on getting larger, and a smaller organization often focuses on service. By combining together, both can get what they want, and both can be served.